So how can you use FaceTime on the iPad without a SIM card? So let me explain how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially, you might be interested in using that feature. And on the iPad, the way that it works is that FaceTime is like the over-the-internet service. So you don't really need the SIM card to access the cellular data as long as you are connected to the internet, which can be through Wi-Fi, personal hotspot, or even through like cellular data, whatever. But the important part is the internet. You don't need to have a SIM card. You don't need to have like a phone number to use FaceTime on the iPad. The way that it would work is that you would go to the settings. At the bottom, you can find apps, and from the list, you can look up the FaceTime. And in there, you want to just make sure that it's turned on naturally, and you can pay attention to the "you can be reached by FaceTime" ad. And for me, it's just an iCloud email address. So it's the @icloud.com, which indicates that I don't even have like a phone number ready for it. So I can use FaceTime without any issues. Like I can call somebody, whatever, through my FaceTime, but they will basically see that they have a call, like the other party I'm calling will see that this email address is calling them, not a phone number. So you basically just sign in with the email address to the FaceTime, and now you can just perform the calls. You can set up a new one. You can join like a new FaceTime with a link, whatever. So that is not really an issue, and FaceTime doesn't need a SIM card to be used properly. So this was just a quick explanation. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.